Two giants in online payments, Braintree or Authorize.net. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have Braintree, PayPal's future-ready payments platform. And on the right, Authorize.net, the trusted, straightforward gateway by Visa. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we dig in, here's a quick mind map of what we'll cover. First off, pricing, obviously. Then, we're looking at features, developer experience, international support, security, customer support, and who each gateway is really made for. All right, let's get started. So, pricing. Let's talk money. With Braintree, it's all about interchange plus pricing. Honestly, it can feel a little complicated if you just want something simple, but you do get no setup fee. And here's something cool. If you're signing up as a full Braintree merchant, there's no monthly gateway fee either. Not bad, right? Now, Authorize.net, straight up, it's a more classic game. Flat pricing so it's easy to understand, but there's that $25 a month gateway fee that seems to haunt almost everyone. Plus, some of the juicier features, you might get charged extra. Overall, Braintree just feels lighter on your wallet, unless you really love monthly fees. Braintree takes the win here. Jumping into features, Braintree is kind of a playground for techies. Tons of developer tools, crazy good SDKs, all the wallet integrations, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, even crypto. And if you're selling worldwide, they make multi-currency a breeze. Like, it's genuinely impressive, maybe even a bit much if you just need the basics. Authorize.net, on the other hand, it's reliable. You get solid recurring billing and a virtual terminal, which is great for phone orders, but honestly, it just doesn't keep up with the modern stuff. Not many advanced integrations, and it feels a little dated compared to Braintree. So Braintree's the clear winner for features. Okay, developer experience, if you know, you know. Braintree really shines here. Their APIs are just friendly. Comprehensive docs, modern tools, and if you've got a complicated store or you're scaling globally, it's built for you. The trade-off, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're not technical. Now, Authorize.net, it's friendly for basic setups. Just plug it in and go. But if you want to get fancy, you might feel boxed in. And the APIs are a bit old school. So yeah, Braintree's the standout for developers. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Braintree actually powers payments for Uber, Airbnb, and GitHub? Yeah, some massive global brands trust it with their cash flow. Kind of wild to think about, right? Next up, international support. And yeah, this one's not even close. Braintree supports over 130 currencies in 45 plus countries. If you're going global, it's basically plug and play. There's regulatory stuff to navigate depending on your country, but overall, pretty awesome. Authorize.net, it's mainly for the US, Canada, and Australia. So if you're dreaming bigger or just want that juicy European market, you'll hit a wall fast. Braintree totally dominates here. All right, security and compliance. Both of these guys take PCI compliance off your plate, and you can sleep soundly knowing your payments are handled by industry giants, PayPal and Visa. Braintree does bring some really slick fraud tools and tokenization, but honestly, Authorize.net's not far behind. Let's call this category a tie. Both are super secure. Breathe easy.
Support time. Braintree offers solid email support and plenty of online resources, which, hey, are nice if you're okay with a little wait. But if you want that 24/7 phone in and yell service, Authorize.net's your pal. Honestly, their reputation for reliability and always being there gives Authorize.net the edge in support, even if super techie issues can sometimes take a minute to resolve.
Finally, target market. Braintree. This is for the ambitious, modern e-commerce or SaaS business. The startup that's thinking global from day one, or anyone obsessed with tech-forward solutions. It might be overkill for some, but if you're scaling fast, it just fits. Authorize.net, though, it's kind of the comfort food of payment gateways. Perfect for brick-and-mortar spots, basic e-commerce. And yeah, people who've been around the block since the early 2000s. But for modern needs, not so much. Braintree wins for today's e-commerce landscape. Let's take a quick look at how they stack up, side by side. I mean, Braintree's kind of running away with things, except on support. And okay, both are secure. But everywhere else, it's a pretty clear lead. The numbers don't lie. All right, so here's my honest take. If you want the most modern, globally capable platform, and have a techie team, Braintree is probably your best bet. It's powerful, future-ready, and truly international. If you're a smaller US-based merchant who values simplicity and really needs phone support, you can't go wrong with Authorize.net. it's dependable as ever. But for 2025 and beyond, I'd lean Braintree for almost anybody eyeing growth. If this breakdown helped, don't forget to save it or share it with your team when you're making that next big payments call. See you next time.